How to fix your iPhone battery drain. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First and the most effective fix for this issue is simply try to restart your iPhone, as a simple restart can clear temporary glitches that may be causing excessive battery uses. See if that helps, and if not, then open settings on your device and then tap on the battery option there. Further, go ahead and scroll down to the battery uses tab and go ahead and close, update, or uninstall apps using an unusually high amount of battery. See if that helps, and if not, then go a step back and then tap on battery again, and further go ahead and enable low power mode on your iPhone, as low power mode reduces background activity to extend your battery life. See if that helps, and if not, then in settings again tap on display and brightness option you see there, and then scroll down and lower your brightness, or if not, then you can also do this process from your control center. So swipe down from the top right of your screen and simply decrease your brightness depending on your preference. See if that helps you in fixing your battery issue, and if not, then in settings again tap on general and then on background app refresh. Further, in this particular interface, open background app refresh again and select the off option you see there, or you can also simply select it to Wi-Fi only option. Make sure not to select Wi-Fi and cellular data option. Also, go ahead and open your app store and further tap on your profile icon on the top right and install any app updates if it is available. And if your issue is not fixed yet, then open settings again and then go ahead and scroll down and you will see the option for privacy and security. Tap on that and then tap on the location services option, and then go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for location services completely, or if not, then you can also simply select apps manually and set it to while using the app only option. See if that helps, and if not, then in settings again tap on the notification option you see there, and further go ahead and disable notifications for the app that you don't need notification from. See if your issue is fixed yet or not, and if not, then if your iPhone supports always on display, then tap on the display and brightness option again and scroll down and toggle off the toggle button for always on display. And also make sure not to enable all kind of features such as AirDrop, Bluetooth, or personal hotspot. So simply disable these options. Also, open settings again and then tap on general and then on software update, and make sure that your iPhone is updated to its latest version, as Apple often releases updates that improve battery performance. Also, in general again tap on transfer or reset iPhone option you see there, and then on reset and then on reset all settings. Reset all your settings and make sure that this will not erase your personal data, but it will only reset settings like Wi-Fi passwords and preferences. Also, tap on battery in settings and then on battery health and charging, and check for your battery health. If the maximum capacity is significantly reduced, for example, if it is below 80%, then you might need to consider replacing your battery. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix your iPhone battery drain. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this.